In a world where you have to stay connected, get the power you need, and be in charge today. Introducing Super, the most powerful and fastest power bank in the world. Super is equipped with two Type-C ports. It enables Super to quick charge all power delivery protocol devices, even the latest MacBook Pro. The dual 100-watt and 65-watt Type-C allow you to charge two MacBook Pros at top speed, and also your iPad Pro, GoPro, and Nintendo Switch. Super can charge them all. The two USB-A ports support fast charging protocols for all major brands. The 10-watt wireless charging pad brings you a cable-free and 2 times faster charging experience. That means you can charge 5 devices all at the same time. Super incorporates the next-level Panasonic battery technology, widely used by Tesla, which has 2 times longer battery lifetime than other batteries. With Super's 26,800 milliamp huge capacity, you will get the power to charge iPhone 11 up to 7 times, or to provide 15 hours extra running time for your MacBook Pro. Super keeps your day energized, stays connected, and productive. Super can be fully recharged in 1.7 hours only. This lightning speed means with 10 minutes of recharging, Super can give you the power to fully charge your smartphone. Super supports pass-through charging, which means you can recharge Super while charging 4 devices at the same time. Super is crafted with aircraft-grade aluminum. It's slim and just fits your pockets. The 99 watt-hour capacity supports air carry-on that you may travel with Super anywhere. Now get your Super and share it with your friends. Super, always be in charge.
Do you want to charge any devices at any time and anywhere? ZMI Power Pack number 20 is all you need. Here we are, introducing the most powerful USB-C 210-watt power bank in the world. It has bi-directional PD fast charging ports, one USB-A port with a 100-watt output. Included are 2 USB-C ports. The 3 high-speed charging ports supports most devices from Apple, Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo. ZMI Power Pack number 20 can charge 15-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro, medium-sized MacBook, and iPad Pro. It can simultaneously charge 3 high-power laptops at a rapid speed. This is the power bank that's compatible with all USB devices, including Apple Watch mini camera, GoPro Bluetooth speaker, Nintendo Switch headset, and drone. No more worries about low battery and no more nuisances of having to carry bulky charging equipment. With its large power capacity, ZMI Power Pack number 20 can fully meet your daily business travel needs. Only taking 50 minutes to charge 60% of the power supply fully, it has excellent self-charging power. This power supply from ZMI improves charge and discharge efficiency through optimization and a system design that uses Samsung 21700 power cells, allowing it to become the world's fastest. Its battery has low internal resistance, low heat generation, and a high discharge rate, ensuring safety and guaranteed daily usage stability. ZMI Power Pack number 20 can swiftly pass security checks and easily be carried with you on the plane. Rapidly double your MacBook Pro's battery power, and up to 5 times the battery power of the latest smartphones, such as the iPhone 12. The moderate size of this power bank makes it portably convenient. So, if you're on a business trip, traveling, or need to charge more electronic products, ZMI Power Bank number 20 is the most suitable for you.
This is OmniCharge, the world's first smart power bank, designed by best-in-field power management experts that can charge any device. OmniCharge is fully equipped with AC/DC charging capabilities, as well as 2 rapid charging USB ports, and is the only power bank on the market with universal charging. Smart, powerful, compact. It is the only power bank you will ever need. OmniCharge is designed for the modern professional's mobile lifestyle. With this power bank, any space can become a workspace, and being tied to the wall socket is a thing of the past. You'll be able to get work done wherever you need without running out of battery. OmniCharge can power even the most demanding laptops, and is small enough to fit inside your everyday bag. The power bank's compact size means that you can carry it with you everywhere and never worry about running out of power while you're on the go. You don't have to carry an extra charger. The battery's universal charging port means that it can be charged with any cable already around you. OmniCharge can power an incredibly wide range of devices, and its smart power management system means that it can recognize which device it's charging and adjust the optimal output. The world's first battery with a brain. All data is displayed in real time, from battery temperature to remaining charging time. With OmniCharge, your device will be charged in the shortest possible time, allowing you to focus on what's important. This smart power bank can even be charged with a solar panel, and its unique flow-through capability allows you to charge other devices while the battery itself is being charged, totally freeing you from the wall socket. OmniCharge allows you to lead a truly mobile life and never miss an opportunity to create a warm atmosphere for family and friends. With OmniCharge, you can power the things that truly matter to you.
Don't you just wish you could power all of your devices on the go at all times? With Flash, you can! Introducing the world's most powerful USB-C 150-watt power bank. Flash not only has one 100-watt USB-C power delivery port, but also two specially designed USB-A ports to support fast charge technology to all major brands, including Apple, Samsung, Huawei, Oppo, and Vivo. That means Flash can power a large laptop like the 15-inch or 16-inch MacBook Pro, or a mid-size laptop like the 12-inch or 13-inch MacBook, or even your iPad Pro. Pass-through charging is featured on both the USB-A ports and 10-watt wireless pad, so you can charge up to 3 devices whilst charging Flash at the same time, making it the most versatile power bank in the world. Oh, and did I mention it can even charge your Apple Watch? Flash is perfect for all USB devices, including mini cameras, GoPros, Bluetooth speakers, Nintendo Switches, headphones, drones, you name it. You can say goodbye to low-powered and bulky power banks that only have limited compatibility. Flash is a high-capacity power bank, so it can charge 16,000 mAh in only 35 minutes, or a full charge delivered within 1 hour and 10 minutes. Flash is able to achieve the incredible feat of being the world's fastest charging power bank through incorporating revolutionary graphene battery technology. Flash is also the world's safest power bank. Through utilising graphene technology, Flash allows for fast charge at low temperatures compared to standard batteries. With a battery life cycle up to 4 times longer than standard batteries, Flash is the world's longest lasting power bank. This means even after 5 years of daily use, the battery will still feel like brand new. And they're backing ASAP Flash with a 2-year warranty. That's double that of all leading brands. With a battery capacity of 20,000 mAh or 74 watt-hours, Flash is safe for airline travel. Double the battery life of your 13-inch MacBook Pro, or up to 5 times the battery of the latest smartphones, such as the iPhone 11, so you can stay powered on the go. Flash is compact and light enough to bring wherever you need power. So if you're traveling, on the go, or just need some power, charge in a Flash with the world's most versatile, fastest, safest, longest lasting and most powerful power bank. Flash by Charge ASAP.